Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we will check what is the Tech Mahindra of campus fresher hiring, the exam pattern, aptitude test pattern. Okay, so there will be three sections: aptitude, 75 questions, 142 minute will be allocated. After that, English essay, one question will be asked and 15 minutes. This is the allocated time. Then technical test will be there, 26 question and 65 minutes. Total number of questions 102 and total duration is 222 minutes. Okay, so this was the first question which was asked in the Tech Mahindra of campus drive. Okay, so the first section consists 75 questions aptitude. Okay, so this was the first question, and the answer will be this one, fifth one. Okay, so this is the second part for the question 1. Okay, so in the previous question, the some of the answers are visible, options, some of the options are visible and other options are visible in the next image. Okay, so I had selected sorry, which one? This one, this one. Then next question, this type of question, like 4 to 5 questions were available, were asked. So I don't have any idea about this, what will be the answer. Please choose correct answer only. If anybody know the answer, then please comment below. This was question number 3rd. Okay, so part 2 for the question number 3rd. Other options you can see here, previous one. Then the next question, okay, so for question number 4th you can't see the other options, so I have taken another screenshot. Question 5, you can see other remaining options here. So this is the question 6. Let me zoom it. In a certain coding system, BAT is coded as 283 and CAT is coded as 383. ARE is coded as 801. How will you code better? BETTER. So the correct answer is 21 33 10. Option A, 21 33 10 is the correct answer. So the next question number 8. There are 5 friends: Ramesh, Kamal, Mohit, Amit and Rohit. Ramesh is shorter than Kamal but taller than Rohit. Mohit is the tallest. Amit is shorter than Kamal but taller than Ramesh. If they stand in the order of their heights, who will be the shortest? So these are the options. So the answer for this is the Mohit. Option B, Mohit, is the correct answer. Okay. So question number 9 is 5 friends are sitting in a row facing north. Gaurav is between Raj and Amit. Amit is to the immediate left of Prabhat and Arpit is to the left of Raj. Who is the extreme left end? So the options are given as Raj, Gaurav, Amit and Arpit. So the answer for this is Arpit. Arpit is the correct answer. So question number 10. Consider the following statements and determine which of the given conclusions follow. All birds can fly. An ostrich is a bird. Therefore, which of the following statement is true? All ostriches can fly. No ostrich can fly. Some ostriches may not fly. None of the above are true. Okay. So the answer for this is some ostriches may not fly. This is the answer. Next question is, Phoebe has longer hair than Monica. Monica has longer hair than Rachel, and Phoebe has the longest hair among the three. If the two statements are true, the third statement is, what will be the answer for this? If anybody know, then please comment below. So the answer for question number 11 is option first, that is true. So the next question is, Alex checks the schedule of his final exams that include the following 5 subjects: math, French, English, social science and science. The exams are held consecutively for the 5 working days of the week, starting from Monday till Friday. The math exam is scheduled 3 days after social science, which is held on Monday. French and English are not held consecutively. The French exam is held before the English exam. On which day of the week is the English exam scheduled? Okay, so if anybody know answer for question number 12, then please comment below. So the answer for this is Thursday. Option third, Thursday is the correct answer for this question. Consider the following assumptions and answer the given question. A into B means A is the father of B. A minus B means A is the mother of B. A plus B means A is the sister of B. A mod B means A is the mother of B. Which of the following options implies that S is the daughter of B? Okay, so these are the options are provided here. So option D is the correct answer. P mod S minus Q. Then next is, Shelly drives north from point A and after traveling for 25 kilometers find that she has driven in the wrong direction. She then turns to her right and travels for 2 kilometers and then she turns right again and drives straight for another 25 kilometers. How much minimum distance does Shelly have to cover to return to her starting point? Okay, so what is the answer for this? Two kilometer is the correct answer. So Rajan started from a point A and walked 40 meters south. From here he took a left turn and walked 20 meters. Now he walked 20 meters towards south and turned right to walk to another 20 meters. Finally he took a left turn and walked 40 meters before he stopped. In which direction is he from the starting point and how far? So the answer is 100 meters south is the answer. Next question, in this series you will be looking at a letter pattern. Which of the given options should fill in the blank? GPO, then ER, then next that we need to find out. Next is ERM, and next is DSL. So the letter will start, F will come here, F, then Q. FQN is the correct answer. Find the odd one out. Okay, so find the odd one out. RSUW BCEH LMOR HIKN. So what can be the answer for this? RSUW will be the odd one out. Option A. Okay, so first one will be, because see, between E and H there are two letters skipped, sorry, two alphabet skipped. Then between O and R again two alphabets are skipped. Between K and N two alphabets are skipped, but you can see here between U and W only one alphabet is skipped. So odd one out is RSUW. Option A is correct. So now we need to find the missing value. 5, 6, 24, 8, 7, 32, 3, 9, question mark, 7, 3, 22. So what will be the answer? No idea about this answer, but please, if anybody know, then please comment below. Next question is, Nikki, who is Ronnie's daughter, says to Indy, your mother Reggie is the your younger sister of my father, who is the third child of Jack. How is Jack related to Indy? So how is Jack related to Indy? So what will be the answer for this one? Grandfather. Grandfather is the correct answer. Next question is, A has a brother B. A is the son of C. D is C's father. How is B related to D? How is B related to D? Then A is D's uncle. Grandson. Grandson is the correct answer. Option B. So next question, X and Y means Y is at 1 meter to the south of X. X hashtag Y means Y is at 1 meter to the east of X. X dollar Y means Y is at 1 meter to the north. If G is facing north, and according to this is the expression given, in which direction is T is with respect to G. So north is the correct answer. If suppose my answer are wrong, then please comment your correct answer. Okay. Next question. Mike walks 10 km north. He then walks 6 km south, and after that walks 3 km east. How far and in which direction is Mike with respect to his starting point? So what will be the answer for this one? So answer will be 5 km northeast is the answer. 23. What will be the code for here if here is the S word is coded as Ka, Na, Po, Che, and ancient civilizations lived here is coded as the code they have provided here. So what will be the code for here? So the answer will be Ka. Third option, third is the correct. If tap is coded as 3, pin is coded as -7, sit is coded as -10, and BAT is coded as -19, then what would be the code for zip? So please try to find out the answer for this, that I don't know, so I'm skipping this one. Next is all chairs are furniture, all tables are furniture. Conclusion: all chairs are tables, some tables are chairs. Okay. So no conclusion follow here. So the answer for question number 25 is none follow. So moving to the next question. Joseph lost his notebook. The teacher started questioning students about the theft. Okay. Catherine said Tom did it. Okay, so if only one of the following statement is false, then which of the given options is correct? So what will be the answer? So the answer will be Catherine is a liar and Alex is telling the truth. Option first is the correct. So the next question, which of the given statements is correct with respect to the following scenario? 3 criminals, Saul, Aaron and Mitch, were arrested for shoplifting. During interrogation, each of them gave 2 statements. So what will be the answer for this? Please comment below, because I don't know what will be the answer for this. So now you should fill in the blanks here. F03K I04H. What will be the answer? Question number 29. No idea about this answer. Next question. (42) and 43. No idea what will be the answer for these questions. So if you get answer, then you can comment. For question number 67, please select You can select more than one, but please select only correct answer. So question number 72, there was a passage given, and this was the question: which of the following statements is false according to the passage? So what is the package? It is factioning to see how the human race has evolved and adapted to life on earth. Okay. So no idea what will be the answer for this one. So this is 73 question number. This is 70 question number 74. This is question number 75. Okay, then next session was English essay. They will provide you one topic, and based on that topic you need to write one essay. Minimum word limit is 200 words. You can see here 200 words. The topic was uses and abuses of advertisement. Sorry, not minimum, maximum 200 words. Express your views in not more than 200 words on the given topic. Okay, so now the third section, that is technical test. This was the coding question which were asked. You are expected to write the code in the find total feet function only, which will receive the first parameter as the number of items in the array and second parameter as the array itself. You are not required to take the input from the console. So given an array of integers representing measurements in inches, write a program to calculate the total of measurements in feet. Ignore the measurements those are less than a feet. Okay, so this is the first screenshot for question 1. This is the second screenshot for same question, same coding question. Only one coding question was asked. You can write program C sharp, in C, C++, Java 7, 8, JavaScript, Python. Okay, you can write your code in any of these programming languages. So technical question 2. Okay, so Switch statement is used in the programming as a replacement for multiple dash dash statements. If statement, right? For how long it is okay to leave your PC unlocked and unattended. For how long it is okay to leave your PC unlocked and unattended. It will be okay for 1 to 2 hours. If you left it more, the memory cache can be increased. So I think option 2 is the correct answer. If anybody is having any another answer, then please comment below. From my point of view, about an hour is the correct answer. Next is, which of the following is an example of IDE integrated development environment? All of the above. Answer is all of the above. Next question is, which of the following data type can be used in C programming to store multiple variables with common memory space? In C programming, I think the union will be the answer, but union option is not provided here. Please tell me what will be the answer for question number 5. In a relational database, which of the following features is useful? Is faster access to data. Indexing. Definitely indexing is the correct answer, because indexing, which is used for faster data searching. But correct answer is cataloging, option A. What is the language used by most of the DBMS for accessing data? Query language. Query language is the correct answer. Program that which is burned into ROM of a device is known as firmware. Firmware is the correct answer. In a programming flowchart, decision node is shown as diamond. Option B, diamond is the correct answer. Okay, so what is spyware? So spyware is the software that enables a user to obtain, convert information about another's computer activities by transmitting data covertly from their hard drive. Spyware is preventable software that spy on user activities, stealing internet usage data and sensitive information of that user, like that. Okay. It's like a type of malware installed on computer. So option third is the correct answer from my point of view. So if anybody is having any another answer, then please comment below. So the next question is, the default storage class of local variables in C programming language is auto. Auto, option B is the correct answer. Operating system that itself contained in a device and resident in ROM is which one? Embedded operating system. Embedded, option B, embedded operating system is the correct answer. Which of the following protocols is used by the web servers to serve web pages in a secure manner? HTTPS. Option A, HTTPS is the correct answer. Which of the following is used to add interactivity and validate user input in a web page? So HTML and JavaScript both, but out of this, which of the following is used to add interactivity? Okay, so JavaScript is the correct answer. So what is the piece of a software required to make a peripheral device work with a computer? What is the piece of work software? Answer is device driver. Option A, device driver, is correct. Then, in order to ensure that a website is featured in the top searches in Google, which of the following technique is used? Search engine optimization. Option B, search engine optimization, is correct. Question number 17. What is the characteristic of a program which makes it easier to add more features to it in future? What is the characteristic of a program which makes it easier to add more features to it in future? So what will be the extensibility is the correct answer for this. Okay, so next question is, what does USB stands for? USB stands for Universal Serial Bus. So option B is correct. Which of the following sections of the C program is not visible to the compiler? Comments. Comments are not visible to the compiler. Which of the following is a correct variable declaration to store a 3 by 3 matrix of BMI measurements of 9 patients? Example 22, 28.2, 23, 26.5. So float BMI 33. This one is the correct answer. Option third. Okay, so next question, what is the technique which is often used to create an experience of a faster website response to visitors? Enabling browser caching. Option fourth, caching, is the correct answer. A terabyte comprises a terabyte comprises 1024 GB. Yes, 1024 GB is the correct answer. Which of the following means information hiding in OOPS? Abstraction. is the correct answer. Which of the following is the most used language for system programming? Okay, C. Option second option, C is the programming language which is mostly used. How do you ensure that the password for important website is kept secure? How do you ensure that the password for important websites is kept secure? Use a very long password, right? Use a very long password is the correct answer. Next is, in case of an RDBMS, how many primary keys can be defined for each table? For each table, only one. In case of an RDBMS, how many primary keys can be defined for each table? Only one. The option third is the correct answer. Okay, so this is the exam questions for the Tech Mahindra freshers hiring. These are the assessment questions. So total 3 sections will be there: aptitude, English essay and technical test with one programming question. Okay, so please try to find out other solutions. Okay, so thanks for watching this video.